on, guys? We are here, back at the pond again. Ooh, there's a gar right there. But we're gonna try this out, guys. We got tackle, we got lures, we got grasshoppers, and we got worms, and we got vitamin water. Anyways, let's go see if we can rip some lips. See you in a minute. Cast over there again. Yeah, this weather's been crazy today, guys. It's nice and cool and kind of windy this morning, early this morning. Then the sun came out and it ended up getting hot. Kind of calming down a little bit, then it got windy again. Then all these clouds started coming in. And the weather just says it's supposed to be sunny the rest of the day. And I don't see it, guys. Pretty cloudy. Anyway, I'll holler at y'all when something happens. Well, that was hilarious. This is literally like 5 seconds later, guys. As soon as I said that, and I was turning off the camera, something took off my bait. So let's see if we can get him. We'll get him. Felt decent too, man. Come on. There's a gar out there. Tag nab it. Let's go on this side. See what happens. There it is. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna get him, guys. Just watch. There he is. I told y'all. Oh gosh. Yes. I didn't think I was gonna get him out of there, guys. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. Chill. He's long, guys. Hey, chill, bro. Heck yes. Rip some lips. Hook just came right out. There's number one, guys. Heck yes. Ow! Alright, guys, I'll holler at y'all here in just a minute. Heck yeah, that's what we want. Alright, we are back, guys. I told you I was going to get that fish. Just keep fishing, guys. Don't give up. Out there, yeah. I hate these limbs right here. I'll get stuck on. Come on, let's get us another one. Damn. Alright, guys, well, I will holler at y'all here in a few. Might rig up some worms or some grasshoppers or something. Anyways. Let's grab the old tripod. was taking off with it. Well, whatever it was, it let go. It took my bait. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some more on this and we're gonna get back to it. It's kind of fun. Wow. And we're back. Alright guys, we're just gonna mess with the ultralight right now, so I ain't jumping back and forth like that all crazy. We got a little grub worm on here and some worm, so I'm just gonna leave it there like I did. Wait for something to take off with it. There we go. Let's see what we get here. Come on. Take it. There it goes. There we go. Heck yeah. I don't know what that is. Some type of sunfish, but look at all the purple right back there. He's got a lot of purple in him too, man. He's light colored but pretty. Maybe a hybrid? I'm not for sure on these freaking sunfish and perch anymore these days. There's so many. Alright guys, that's fish number 2. Cool. We'll get back with y'all here in a minute. Just keep fishing. There we go. That was cool. He hit it twice. There we go. An actual bluegill. Hybrid. Come here. Wow. Cool. That's like fish number 3, maybe species number 3 or 4. I don't know, but I'll take it for sure. There we go, another one. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a big one. God, y'all, look at the yellow on him. He is so yellow. Goodness gracious. Monstrous little guy. Ah. Heck yeah, guys. It's like number 5. Still got a little piece on there. Let's see what happens. Right. I bet you we might get one. Yep, instantly. Oh goodness, good stuff. Look at him, little guy. Well, I didn't think there was that many in here, but worms, guys, always does the trick. Alright, that's like number 5 or 6, I don't know. We still got a little bitty piece on there. We're going to keep on trying it. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to rig up the big pole and see if we can't get a big bass or something. I'll holler at you in a minute. Guys, check that out. Big old grasshopper. We're going to give that a whirl. See what happens. If I can get it out there. Oh yeah. That's what we want. And we're just going to set that right there. Leave it slacked like that a little bit. Really, just a little bit. Sorry guys. Alright. Heck yeah. Alright. Anyways, let's throw the Cinco around for a minute. Just watch this pole over here. Oh shit, we got a fish over here, guys. Grab this pole. Guys, let's see what happens. On the grasshopper, it might be a bullhead. What we call mudcat or polywalls. Come on, you gonna hit it again? I'll bring it in and check it. Oh, we're still good. Give her another send out there. Something always tries to go after my line every time. Alright, well. Oh, guys, I wasn't recording, but got another one. Freaking. God, all these fish are so healthy, man. They're eating good. Heck yeah. It's like number 7, I guess. Man, he was big. Heck yeah. Might catch a few more here real quick. And then we might move. I don't know yet. Nothing's touched that grasshopper again, which is surprising. I kind of got it far out there. Get some more worm on this, if we can find any. Sure found a bunch of freaking ants. I was wondering where all those went. Had a bunch of grub worms too. Man, ants. Let's get one of these grub worms on there. And let's put that worm back in there. Put him on here. Give a little extra. And there's another grub worm. Put him in there. Alright, let's go. No, son, go away. Alright, rip some lips. There we go. I didn't even know I had one. Rip some of those the lines tangled around. So there we go. Chill, bro. grasshopper. Ah, as soon as I freaking got something I had to pull. There, guys. As soon as I went to cast that little pull, I think he's on. Yep, he's on. Oh, he's running so fast. Ah, freaking bullhead. I knew it. I figured that one. Not a bad size. I'm gonna get him off and I'll holler at you in a second. Alright, anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna give it a little try on this one. There we go, there's the shade again. Clouds. Burning up. There we go. Fighting. They fought so hard. Cool. There's another one. Whoa, that was almost another one too. He felt a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try with that little bitty piece of worm that's still in there. Up, I had him again. Let's put another piece of grasshopper on. Oh hell, there's my big one. Didn't even notice that. In that case, we're probably gonna put him back on the big pole and throw it back out. Oh crap, I got two of them. Let one of them go. Live grasshopper, guys. They love it. Catfish love it too. There we go. A little bit bigger one. Oh yeah. A whole lot bigger. Goodness gracious. Fat guy. Come here. There we go. He is hooked good. There we go. Alright. Let him go. Boop. Guys, at the other spot, I swear I was fishing a whole lot in that point, of course, but over there I caught my personal best. But anyways, had a couple trees fall down. I threw it over here. Of course, I wasn't recording, but it's like fish number 9, 8, or no, like 10 or 11. I don't know. But I know we're ripping lips, guys. Just keep fishing. Heck yeah. I'm gonna get rigged up and see you in a minute. Guys, we're gonna come over here. Got some grasshopper on and got a jig in my pocket. Let's see if there's anything over here. Goodness, this wind is crazy. I know there's something in here. I want some grasshopper. Put this jig on. There's something trying to get grasshopper or something out there. Oh. Pow. Alright, let's try that. Dang, that's got such a good smell to them. Jigs. Spot is tricky to fish, but we're gonna give her a dangle. Get out of there. There we go. It usually always works. So many things to get stuck on. Come on, one more fish. Oh, it's gonna work this time. Pretty stuck. There we go. Heck yeah. Hasn't failed me yet. Oh. Had one, guys. Just stuck it down here in this little pocket. Get off there. There he is again. Got him that time. Green sunfish. Ah. Cool. He's got some purple bits in his ear too. Oh, there he goes. Bye. Alright, rip some lips. Ripping lips. What if there's another one down here? No, just something for me to get stuck on. What about this one? Oh. Let's try right here. No go. Oh, there's one. There's one. Heck yeah. Oh, he's got some orange eyes. Purple again. Guys, these fish are so pretty. Move them in a lot and they change color. Sweet. I'm going to toss them out over this branch here. There we go. Let's try for another one. I knew there'd be fish down in these trees. I was hoping there'd be bass, but it's just too shallow right here. But out there should be one. Just Getting to it is the problem. Try a couple more spots here. Well guys, I think that's about it for today. It's getting really windy, really windy, and it's hot. And the fishing just ain't too great, but I hope y'all like this, hope y'all watch it, and hope y'all enjoy it. Give it a like, please subscribe if you're not, share it, and check out my other videos, and yeah, next time we'll rip some more lips. See y'all next time.